Hi, want to know how to activate incoming call ID announcement on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open the phone application and here click on these three dots on the right upper corner. Here, go to this tab which is named Settings, and after this, scroll to the end of this page. Here at the bottom part, we will be able to find this tab, name is Caller ID Announcement, and by clicking on it here, we would be able to choose when we would like to hear the caller ID. So by clicking on this tab, we got three options, which is never, only when using a headset, and always. So let's choose always and also test this feature. So I'll call to this phone from my another one and let's wait.
Incoming voice call from Lily.
And yes, as you can see, the assistant has announced the name of caller and said that this is a incoming call. This is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.